Solve the following math questions. Question number 1. It is the area of a triangle with vertices 1, 0, 2, 2, and 2, 3 is equals to. How do we solve the area of when the vertex of a triangle is given? I think this type of question is question of related to matrix application type of questions under matrix. So solution, let us do together. Solution, if the vertex is given, how do you find? Look, if the vertex of a triangle is x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3 and x3, y3, if this is given, so in the formula, area is equals to 1 over 2 into x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, 1, 1, 1. The determinant of this matrix. So this is the formula. If this one is greater than 0, the formula is 1 over 2 times this. If this determinant is less than 0, it can be negative. So this is equals to, so arrange the given vertex accordingly. This is equal to 1 over 2 into determinant of x1 is, look, 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, 2, and 2, 3. 2, 3. So 1, 1, 1. So this is equals to 1 over 2 into, how to find the determinant of this one? So 1 times these two matrix, 1 over 2 into, so 1 times 2 times 1 times 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 0 times, so 0 times like this, 0, this, and this is 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, plus 1 times, look at this one, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, 3. So this is equal to 1 over 2 into this one 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 1 minus 3 times 1. This one is 0. This one is minus 0, plus, look at this one, 1 times 2 times 3, 2 times 3 minus 2 times 2. So this is equal to 1 over 2 into, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, plus 2 times 3 is 6, 6 minus 2 times 2 is 4, 6 minus 4 is 2. This one 1 over 2 times 1, so it is 1 over 2 square units. So the answer is B. B is the answer. Look at question number 2. If let A is equal to 2, 3, 2, negative 1, and B is equal to 2, 5, negative 4, 3, 2, 6, it is 2 by 3 matrix, then the product of these two matrices is equals to, how do you find AB? So solution, so matrix A times B is equal to, look, this one, you can take from this row, from this column, look, 2 times 2, 2 times 2, plus 3 times 3. Then the next one, 2 times 5, 2 times 5, 3 times 2, plus 3 times 2. Then 2 times minus 4, plus 3 times 6. In the second row, you can take 2 negative 1 by this. 2 times 2, 2 times 2, no, 2 times 2, negative 1 times 3, plus negative 1 times 3. Then 2 times 5, 2 times 5, look, 2 times 5, negative 1 times negative 2, plus negative 1 times 2. 2 times negative 4, 2 times negative 4, negative 1 times negative 6, plus negative 1 times 6. Now this is equal to 2 times 2, 4 plus 3 times 3, 9. 4 plus 9 is 1, 3. 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 10, 2 times 5 is 10. Look at the second. Let me revise it. So the second, 2 times 5 plus 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, 60. This one is 60. 2 times negative 4, 8. 3 times 6 is 80. It is 10. Therefore, for the second one, 2 times 2, 4. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. 4 plus negative 3 is 1. 2 times 5, 10. 1 times negative 1 is 2. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. 2 times negative 4, negative 8. Negative 1 times 6 is negative 6. Negative 8 plus negative 6 is negative 40. So the answer is B. How do you get it? Thank you.